The first thing you want to do in this problem is draw yourself a picture. So I'm going to do that down here. It tells you what the sine value is, and then it just tells you we're in quadrant 1. So I'm going to draw just kind of a generic right triangle in quadrant 1. This is going to be our theta down here. And it tells me that the sine is 8 over 17. So what you need to know is that sine of theta is equal to y over r. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label my x and my y and my r, and then I can actually put in those numbers. So it tells me that my y value is 8, so I'm going to put in an 8 here, and then my r value is 17, so that's going to go on my hypotenuse. Because we're in quadrant 1, everything is positive, so I don't have to worry too much about anything negative, but I do have to find out what my x value is. So in order to find our x value, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to use that x squared plus y squared equals r squared version of the Pythagorean theorem. So my x is what I'm looking for, y is 8, and then r is 17. So I would have x squared plus 64 equals 289, and then if I subtract 64 from both sides, I'm going to see that x squared equals 225, and then if I take the square root of both sides, x will equal 15. So I'm going to fill that in on my triangle. So I'm done with my triangle. Everything is labeled correctly. Now it's asking me what is the cosine of theta. So you have to know that the cosine of theta is equal to x over r. So my final answer here is going to be x, which is 15, over r, which is 17.